go on, my people. Yeah, man, welcome back to the channel. I don't know, say, a Fire Reid, your tour guide. So, yeah, man, so my journey will be today in Treasure Beach area, Great Bay. Great Bay. So, you all can enjoy the tour of Great Bay in St. Elizabeth. There you can see a nice scenery of the beach. You can come and have a relaxation right on the beach in Great Bay in St. Elizabeth. Thank you all for watching my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. One love, one heart. So yes, my people, so right now I am in the Treasure Beach area. So once you come at Treasure Beach, yeah, man, you see that little boat here. You see that little boat right here once you come to Treasure Beach. So you can't miss out on this, right? Nice hillside view. And also land for sale in Treasure Beach. So keep on watching. I'm gonna take you right over where you can see the number for the person who is selling the land. So keep on watching. Very close to the police station also. Pedro Plain police station. Land for sale. Half acre, quarter acre for sale. You can contact 1-876-871-3042. So keep on watching. So I'm gonna take you all to in the Great Bay section. So you're gonna keep on watching, alright? Yes guys, and always remember to give the video a big thumbs up. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yes, my people, you don't know. Great Bay, where I go today now. Going to the Great Bay. So welcome to Great Bay Beach. So we'll take a tour to Great Bay in St. Elizabeth. So enjoy the ride. So when you come for the vacation, when you can come on the Great Bay side, yeah man, enjoy yourself. Very close to Lashings, very close to Drake's, 77 West. Many more places in the Treasure Beach area, same way you can enjoy yourself. You see, have a lot of beach side, so you can come on Treasure Beach and enjoy yourself in Jamaica, you know. Just like going on a tour of the place during the pandemic. As you can see, the road condition, hopefully can get a change, a better road soon. As you can see, it's a fishing area, a lot of fish pot in the area. Yeah man, Jamaica nice when you touch the south side here. You feel a different type of feelings when you're on the south side. Relaxing. Out here you can find a lot of lingam vitae trees. So when you're in Great Bay, you can also go to Billy's Bay, Frenchman, Calabash Bay, very close by. person like fishing, also can try the Great Bay Reef. Yeah man, but once me I tell you still, you see when the sun hot at them place, yeah, sun hot. So if you're a person who too like the sun, just have to walk on an umbrella and go up on the beach side and relax on yourself. Get some of them nice fresh air from the beach. Yeah man, you see a local corner shop same way. Can come buy you one red stripe beer. You have the Great Bay Christian Healing Center on your right. And also you have a pond where you can catch a nice blackfish. Remember back in the days when I used to come a Great Bay, get with nice coconut bulla, make out of coconut. Very, very nice coconut bulla, man. So if you don't want no coconut bulla, you can come a Great Bay. And a lot of pancakes. So on your left you have the Seventh-day Adventist Church of Pijo. On your right you see we have Sea Crab Bar and Jerk Center. Yes, my people. It's a nice feeling. You can book your Airbnb and enjoy yourself in Great Bay, also in Billy's Bay, Calabash Bay, Frenchman. So big up on yourself, all the Channel Beach people, them wanna big up on yourself. One love and one heart. So you know you have a lot of cottage in this area. And also you have a sandbank. On your right, you have the post office and also the beach. So you can keep on watching, me. I'll give you a view of the beach. Still, if you don't want to fish, you can come a great bay same way and enjoy yourself. Eating a nice steamed fish on the beach and okra. So most persons always come and stop at the beach, so I'm giving a little more tour away from the beach side. See what Great Bay is like. You can see on the cool palm tree. So I'll get back to the beach area, so keep on watching. Yeah man, so Fire Reid came up on one side of the map. Jamaica nice for people. Remember to share the videos them if you don't want to know Jamaica. See the true reflection of Jamaica with Fire Reid. Yeah, because a lot of persons kind of scared to come to Jamaica because them kind of worry about the crime and the violence and all those stuff. So still don't make you see the areas them same way. Then you can make your decision from there. have some beautiful house in Jamaica. Don't matter how small, still beautiful. So this is life in Great Bay, St. Elizabeth. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.